You see that one? Now I have enabled the voice. So start making noise. We are going to be seeing them here. We will be listening to this noise. So now it's recording video versus audio. Then save as usual. So we go to the next transaction is what? 2,000. This is discount what allowed? 2,000. What next? Commission allowed. If it is commission allowed, this is a 400 what? 3. We call it commission allowed. This is under expense as well. Okay. Okay. We move into expense. How much? 1,000. Move next. What next?
Tax and insurance.
Tax and insurance. This is 400 what? 4. We call it tax and insurance. It is under expense. Next. I go how much?
3,000.
3,000. What next?
Provision for debt.
Provision for bad and doubtful debt. What is the balance for provision? Is it a debit or a credit? Question. Provision as a debit or a credit? A provision. As a debit, as a credit? Jesus Christ. Okay. This is if it is a provision. Are we together? A provision, it is an accrual. Provision. You have created a provision. For what? For bad and doubtful debt. Which means it is going to reduce your customers' receivable. Are we together? Then it becomes an expense. I'm going to check the figure. This is, let us take it to expense 400. 4, we call it provision for bad debt. This is, put it under expense, then click OK. Number already exists. Number 5. Next. How much?
2,000.
2,000. I will check if it makes sense. What next? Bad debt, it's an expense automatically, but provision, it's a liability. Let me check. This is 4006, isn't it? Bad debt. This is expense. Next, how much? 1,000? 1,500. What next? That's the 1,500.
Okay.
What next?
Salary. Salary.
Salary is add. This is 4007. Salary is, this is an expense. Enter. How much?
20,000.
20,000. What next?
Dividend paid.
Dividend paid. This is it is under the profit appropriation account. Profit appropriation account, it takes under number 5. Yes. So if it takes number 5, this was the dividend. Let me first take it to expense. I will check. 4008. This is dividend paid. Let me take it under expense, but actually it should be reducing income, which is capital account. How much? 5,000. What next?
General expenses.
General expense, add. This is equal to 4009. I call it general expenses. This is an expense. Next, how much?
5,000.
5,000. What next?
Rent paid.
Rent?
Paid.
Rent paid. Jesus, move up a bit. This is a 4010. Are we together? Add. This is equal to 4010. It is what? It is rent and paid. This is under expense. How much?
3,000.
3,000. What next?
Bills receivable.
Bills?
Receivable.
Good. This is a bill is receivable. This is equal to add. This is a bill is receivable. 7,002 bill is receivable. This is a current asset. Okay. How much? 21,500. What is the difference here? 92. There is 80,000, isn't it? That is the difference. No, this one is not. Therefore, the question is, was this question balancing? No, adjustments are outside the trial balance. Adjustment, they are trying to adjust your test of the TB. Adjustment, they are meant for what we call, it is meant for accounting period. They can be here under the journal, but the logic is you process adjustment when you are closing the business, which means we are trying to confirm revenue should match with the expenses in that period. You have spent to generate revenue in that period. So there is something we have to check. It is 80,000. Are we together? Commission allowed, discount allowed, tax, provision. When I put my tooth, for?
The balance of the credit.
The
total of the credit.
Is
for? Oh, it is balanced.
Why has it balanced? It has balanced because I have told you every provision must have the credit balance. Have you seen? I have just changed this one. This provision for bad and doubtful debt, it is a liability account because it's a provision you have made. So I write provision for bad debt. This is current liability. I click OK. OK. It has balanced now. So we are going to click save. We validate. There is no error. Then we say post what? Post the batch. Post no. Are you wishy? Yes. Batch posted successful. Then we come to our stock adjustment. We have said I will just come on my journal. I can even use the same journal batch. Are we together? Double click on the same journal batch because I expect to debit an account which is under 7501 under stock. Are we together? Stock, or I call it closing what? Stock. This is under current asset. I click OK. I click reference maybe 02. I say closing what? Closing stock. Stock, how much is it? 42,000. Are we together? I come into the credit side. I said we are going to debit 200. 2009, we call it closing what? Closing stock. Then this is under trading what? Trading expense. It is here. I click OK. How much? 42,000. What next? Depreciation on plant and machinery. We should have an account for depreciation. Are we together? Are we together? So I'm going to say add 4011. I call it depreciation. This is under expense. I click OK. I come here, I say depreciation. Are we together? On plant and machinery, it is 2,000, isn't it? So I just put 2,000. I am going to credit the accumulated depreciation on plant and machinery. So I will put 200. Do we have plant and machinery? It was under 6, so I will check here if we have plant and machinery. Then I say Akim Dep on plant and machinery. Then I click OK. I say depreciation. This is 2,000. But still we have building. But when we are creating a building, we did not give it chart of account. I mean sub account. So I must make sure when I'm creating my building, I come where I say this is a 100. Are we together? Sub account of B building, which was 6002. Yes, I call it again B building. I say okay. The account already exists. How come? Maybe we have the same. If we have this, let me check. Okay, we have the account then. So I will right click, add new, I say 200. It is sub account of 6002. I call it accumulated debt on B building. I say okay. I move how much? It's not the same. So we are going to say 400. This one we are going to debit 4011. Isn't it? Because it's depreciation. Then this is 6002 is into 200 accumulated on the building. How much is it? 1,000. Then I come to the credit side, 1,000. What next? Outstanding rent. We already have rent. So I will add. No, I have it. Isn't it? Rent and what? It is in 400. Not 40 something here. It is where is rent? There is this rent paid 40010. So I say rent paid. How much? It is here 1,000. This is rent accrued. Outstanding and accrued, it is the same. Accrued. Then I come here, I create another account as an accrual, which is 900. Is it 60? I will check. Accrued rent. This is current liability. This is current liability. I say okay. It is not there. 1,000. Are you together? What next? Prepaid salary. Right click, add prepaid salary. It is in number 700, maybe 6. I call it prepaid salaries. Then I take it to current asset. Okay, how much? Prepaid salaries. I say it's 1,000. I come here, I deduct salaries. Are we together? So if I am not sure with the account, but I'm sure with that name, I'm going to select an account name. Do you see how it is speaking? Then I come under 1,000. I do save, I validate, I say post the batch, I say no, I say yes, I say okay. Question number 2. Create, they say, minimize. Minimize? Okay. Question number 2. The following transaction took place in the month of September. Number 1, introduced more capital with the Bank of Kigali. Are you together? Paid salaries, Bank of Kigali. Purchased land, Bank of Kigali. Marketing, I want to take it to Bank of Kigali. So as I simplify. Are you together? So what I will do, I am going to create the so-called the cash book batch. Are you together? How do we create cash book batch? I just go transaction, general, ledger. I come to cash book batch. I create add. I call it Bank of Kigali. Are you together? Because I already know I have my account in Bank of Kigali, I will click on integration. I come here, I select Bank of Kigali. Such that any transaction I process in this cash book batch, it's going to be affecting this account, which we call Bank of Kigali. Any payment I will make on account receivable. Any payment I will receive from account receivable, it will be deposited on the Bank of Kigali. Any receipt or any payment I will process to an account payable contra account, it will go to Bank of Kigali. So I will click OK. So once I have my chart of account, rather my cash book batch, I will just go here and I see we are having 3. Number 1, it is GL. GL means general ledger. Number 2, it is AR. AR means account receivable. Number 2, it is AP. AP means accounts payable. So whenever I want to deal with the general ledgers, I will be using GL. Whenever I want to deal with any customer here, I will be using AR. Whenever I want to deal with any supplier, I will be using AP. So these are general ledgers, which means introduced more capital. What I will do, I will find the contra account. Are you together? We are having Bank of Kigali. We are also having capital. So the contra account here, it is capital because we are in the Bank of Kigali. Are you together? So because capital, I know it is 5 this, I will say maybe 03. I say this was the introduction of more what? More capital. Are you together? Is it under deposit or under payment? Under deposit of how much? Of 50,000. That transaction is done. Number 2, paid salaries. Are you together? Salaries were how much? I will come here, I write salaries. I say paid salaries. Under debit, under credit, we paid from the banker to the bank. So we put under deposit or on payment. Jesus Christ. You have paid the salary. You have paid. Now you do what? Is it deposit? Is it payment? How much? 1,200. Number next. What is this? Purchased land. Did we have land account? No. We are going to right click, add, This may be 6008. Altogether, we call it land. This is a fixed asset. I click OK. I go. I say land purchase. Deposit payment. Payment how much? 32,000. What next? Marketing fees. If you don't have the account, I right click, I add, I say this is maybe 4012. I call it marketing what? Marketing fees. I say marketing fee, it is under expense. It is okay. I move, I say marketing what? Marketing fee? Fees. How much? Paid 6,700. Are we together?
Yes.
So I will say save. I will validate. Post the batch. Do you want to print? No. Are you sure you want to post? Yes. Posted successfully. That part is done. Then they say the following expenses were paid in respective supplier to respective supplier in the month of September. We have Airtel, we have internet, we have amount, it excludes VAT, and they paid the amount paid, it's 9,000. Are we together? So instead of wasting the following time, we are going to pass through the sales order. This is the purchase order. Are we together? So how am I going to process this? I'm going to transaction. Are we together? I go to order entry. Because I want to make the purchase order, I come to purchase order. Are we together? So from here, I'm going to right click. I add, who is that supplier? Supplier is called Airtel. So I will copy my Airtel, I skip, I paste, I say OK. What did we do with Airtel? We purchased internet from Airtel. Do we have internet expense account? No. So I will come here in this field. You see here, let me maximize it as well. You see, we are having the following thing. We have stock, we have GL. Are you together? Because I want this one to be a direct account to GL, I will select GL. Are you together? I enter an item. I say add. This is 4013. Isn't it? I call it internet. It is under expense. But because I expect this to be used on the LPO, on the purchase order, I'm going to select the inventory. I allow purchase transaction. Then I say, okay. I move. I say 1. I confirm 1. How much is it? 9,600. Does it include the tax or it is exclusive? It is inclusive. If it is inclusive, we are going to use 3. 3 is used when you are purchasing. 1 is used when you are selling. Are we together? Input VAT. You remember I wrote it there. This is input VAT. Are we together? So what I will do, I will just come here. I say this is Airtel for internet. Are we together? Then if I want, I'm going to confirm with the date. It is the date of today. Currency, it is not changing the currency. Then I am going to click on process the invoice. Are we together? Process the invoice. Do you want to print? No. Do you want to print the purchase order good received note? If you say yes, you will see it here coming. Are we together? If you want, you can print, but if you don't want, you just leave it as it is. You close. They will ask you, do you want to print the purchase order supplier invoice? If you want, you will say yes. This is what will be printed. Already the amount for tax is already deducted here. You can see it. So you will send this supplier to Airtel invoice, then you process or you save. This was supplier number 1. So we record up to this. The payment will be done once. For supplier, for customer, we are going to do it in the same transaction. Actually, when you are making a payment, we record them after receiving the banker statement. Are we together? Number next. Who is the next supplier? Urubuto. Add. I call it Urubuto Hotel. I just skip, paste, click OK. What was the service? Do we have food accounting? So 4014, I think. Isn't it? We call it food. This is under expense. Inventory, allow purchase. Okay. I map 1. How much? 8,000. Come here. Does it include? It is exempted. If it is exempted, you are going to put 6 or 7. Are we together? So I move here. I say this is Urubuto Hotel food. Maybe it's what we have transacted. Then I say process. Do you want to print? No. That is done. Who is next? Right click, add. This is Jibu. Then from Jibu, I come here, Jibu, I click OK. I come here, I select GL. What was that?
Water.
Amaz. Water, so it can be 4015, isn't it? So we call it water. Water, it is under expense. I go to inventory, I select allow purchase, I say OK, move 1, move how much? 3,000. Inclusive, exclusive? If it is inclusive, we select 3. Then I say Jibu dash water. I say process. No. What next? Volcano. I say add. This is a volcano. For what? For transport. Paste this, say OK, come here. It was for transport, right click. This is 40 like 16, isn't it? Transports. This is expense. I come here, inventory, I allow purchase. I say OK. How much was it? 4,000. I say inclusive, exclusive. Put 6 or 7. Transport. Then I say process. No. That part is done. What next? I will show you how we get the marks. So we are done with processing purchase orders. We are now going to close. We record the third question. The third question, we are going again to transaction, under order entry, under sales order. Or, because we have it here, I just click on sales order. I maximize. This is a student called Kanyanje. Right click, add. She's called Kanyanje. Copy this Kanyanje. Paste this one here. Click what? Click OK. This is a GL. What is that? We are having school fees. We are having student ID, ledge number, insurance. Those are the bills. Are we together? Right click. What is the first thing? School fees. 100 what? 1001. Isn't it? I call it school fees. This is trading income. Trading income, inventory, allow sales, click OK, move 1, this is 1, how much? 94,000. Does it have VAT? No, because it's not included. I put 6. Are we together? Number next, another service, it is called student A. Right click, this is 300 what? 3004, isn't it? I call it student ID. This is under income because it's another income. Allow sales, click OK, I move. So 1, how much? 4,000. VAT, yes, this is equal to number 1. No. I told you when we are selling, it is 1. When we are buying, it is 3. What next? Registration fees. Right click, add. This is 3004, isn't it? I call it Ledge fees. This is under income. I go to inventory, allow sales, click OK. Already exists 3005. How much? 600. VAT, it is 6. What next? Insurance. Add insurance income. We add the income somewhere. So if it is insurance, this is 3006, isn't it? This is insurance income. This is income, not O. This is I. Income, add inventory, allow sales, okay. Then I come here, I say 1, how much? 1,040. Does it have? It does not have. So, what is the name of the student? Kanyanje. Kanyanje. This is amount paid. The amount we have received, the amount we have paid, we are going to pass it in the same transaction. 1. So, what I will do, I will click process. This one put any number, it doesn't count. Click OK. Do you want to print? Do you want? If you want, you can print this. Actually, when you come to Unilak, this is what they do. Everything they bill to your account, when you pay small, they charge it to this account. When you go there, they show you the balance. Are we together? So close. Who is the next? Furaha. Right click, add. This is Furaha. Copy. I come here, I paste you. I paste Furaha. I say, okay. I just come here. I say, very good. Biriya bintu tutamaze kubikerera byose 1001, isn't it? Iyindi konti yari 300. Was it 3002? No. 3003, 3004, sibyo? 3005, sibyo? What next? 3006. Sibyo twashize kuri buri munyeshuri. Then I come here. I just confirm. 1, 1, 1, 1. What next? Amount. 94,000. Isn't it? What next? 4,000. What next? 600. What next? 1040. Are you together? No, no, one. Do we have tax? Number 1? No. 6. Number next? Do we have tax? Yes. We put 1. 6, 6. 6 exclusive, 1 inclusive if you are making sales order. 3 when you are making purchase, order. Others, it is, if it is 0 or it is exempted, put 6. This was called who? This is called the Furaha. Then we say process, put any number, then click OK. So 4004. Yes, if I want, but I don't want this. Then they say no. I go to student number, next. Add. I call her Josiane. Copy Josiane, paste Josiane, click OK. Turaza not selecting a GL 101. Tuze mohano 3004. Tuongere wakani 3005. 3006. Are we together? Tujia not confirming 1111. Amount 94,000. Tuje kuya kabiri 4,610.40. None unje hano mu bintu bya taxi ari mukangahe 6 1 6 ninangiza hano nandike onde Josiane kure process shira mibare nifuza, then I say okay. No. Are we together? I come again. Right click, add. Who is the last one? Rogers. Copy this, copy. Enter. Paste. Rogers. Click, OK. Right click, OK. GL. We put the account. This is 1001. This is 3004. This is 3005. Are we together? This is 3006. Are we together? Then we say this is 1111. Amount 94,000. This is 4,000. This is 600. This is 1040. Then when I come here, I say 6, 1, 6, then 6. I post my Rogers here. Then I say process. Okay. Do you want? No. Do you want? No. Are we together? So we have recorded, but we have not posted the payments. We are now going to use our cash book batch transaction, the transaction general ledger cash book batch. Which cash book batch? Our Bank of Kigali. Are we together? We are going to start with AR, account receivable. One to Korea sales order. Who is the first one? Kanyanji. I put 01. Ano ndandika mukanya Kanyanji. Yatuwaye amafaranga. Turashira muri debit, turashira muri credit. Of course, she paid to the company. Deposit payment. This is a student. He has paid. We are recording our payment. Deposit payment. Are we paying her or she's paying us? So if she's paying us, we put deposit payment. How much? 99,600. 99,600. Are we together? Who is the next student? I select Furaha. I say Furaha. She paid how much? 98,600. Who is the next student? Josiane. I just write Josiane. She paid how much? 0.40. Who is the next student? Rogers. Select Rogers. I say Rogers. How much? 95.
640.
640. Are we together? Do you have any other?
No.
No. So when I come to another line, I will select AP. Because I want to go for those people, our suppliers. Are we together? I go, who is the first supplier? Is Airtel. I select Airtel. I just come here, I say Airtel. Payment deposit. Payment, how much? 9,000. I come here. What next? Urubuto. I select Urubuto. I say Urubuto. Payment deposit. 7 what? 7,000. Number next is Jibu. I just write Jibu. Payment how much? 2,900. What next? Volcano. I select Volcano. I just write Volcano. Volcano. How much?
3,700.
3,700. Then I verify. Verify. Batch, no error found. Post the batch. Do you want to post? The batch has been modified. Do you want to save change? Yes. Do you want to print? No. Do you want to post? Yes. Are we together? Then they will say batch posted successfully. Check on this question. We say create the customer information. We created the customer information. Are we together? Number 2, create invoice. We have created the invoices. Number 3, receive their payment. We have just received their payment. Allocate transactions. Are we together? Do you see this window now? They say, do you want to allocate account receivables? So you will be answering allocation here. Are we together? So I will say yes. Check. You check the system now. Check on the board. If I want to allocate, they start with the furaha. There is the bill for furaha. Are we together? Check. And I also want you to see this. The bill for furaha was 99,640. It's what we paid. Are we together? Mubanze mubone. Uyu muntu witwa furaha, are we together? Yari afite bill y'ibihumbi 98,600. Sibyo? Ariko agiye kutwishyura kuri konti atwishyura ibihumbi 99,640. What does this one mean? Nuko uyu munyeshuri afitemo overpayment. Are we together? So, I will do what we call account allocation. So, I will get this payment, I drop into this payment. Are we together? Ubu nimusaka kukompara kuri biri yiwe yanganaga gutya na payment yasigaye bingana gute. Asigaye mu 1,000 which means this student there is an extra 1,040. Then I say save. When I'm allocating, ndibugende hano. Do you see here? I will click next. As we twande Josiane. The simplest, I click allocate all. Yo maze kora allocate all, I click save. Nje kuwundi. No witwande Kanyanji. Mite nkorichi nkora allocate all. Nkore save. Nkore next. Who is the next? Rogers. Allocate all. Ninaja nkore save. If you can see very well, this is no longer active. Murabona bitabaye passive. So after that, I will click cross. Bongere bambaza. Do you want to allocate payables? I will say yes. Double click. I say either I can drag this, I drop on cash. I say okay. Then I click save. I click next. Or I take this to this. Nshobora kuva hano nkaja gute cyangwa nkava hano nkajayo. Then I say, okay, then say save. Nkore next. I can do allocate or then I click save. There are many ways. I click next, then I click allocate or I click say save. Then I say, okay, this is cross. So up to that level, I have done my question 95%. Yes. We are allocating to make sure that the bills with the payment, they are matched together to see the balance. Either we have a receivable or we have a payable. That's why we do account allocation. So you may find you have 10 invoices, but the payment came once. So tulitaka fata za payment zose tuzihuze, za facture zose tuzihuze na payo memo. Cyangwa wewe urazano bakakuwa, they give you the invoice ya school fees, ukishyura 5, ukishyura 10, ukishyura 20. None iyo tugize kuri allocation tuhita dufata ya biri tureba twa payment twose tugenda tudushiraho igabanuka kugeza igihe tuzahita tumenya yasigayemo. If we pay full, we will match it, will become 0. Okay. So we are now going to do, check the question. Question number 1. Question number 4, it is meant for reports. Clearly generate the final reports. What are these final reports? There is income statement and balance sheet. And copy them on the answer sheet provided. So abatu abaye impapuro mugiye kukoporora ibintu bikurikira. Number 1, it is report. Are we together? General journal, general ledger. What was the first transaction? Income statement. We print with description. Are we together? We click print or print preview. So this will be our income statement. What you are going to do on our paper, you are going just to write the title income statement. You will write this column and this column only. Uzakoporora uyu murongo umanuka mpaka kuri total expense yano. Not only total expense, kuko tufite page zingahe? Page ebyiri. Urabona kugera kuri net profit. Then go back. Ukoporore na actual. So you will copy this and this. But if I want, I can print this one. I say, okay, I just take it on my desktop. I call it income statement. Then kuri desktop I call it save. Next time if I don't have my machine, njecho njana kwa muri examination, I print that one, I take it into the examination office. None wewe uratangira kuza njewe profe yanyime amanota kuko namusumbaga uburebure arayanyima tufita nyinzika. Very good. They will get the marking scheme. They compare with your exam babone ibintu wanditse ku rupapuro bihuye na marking scheme natanze. Are we together? Number next, I cross the same. I am going to print the balance sheet, which is here. Are you together? I preview. You will go and copy the balance sheet. So I will save this one. I say, okay. I say, sangapi sachina nijiche. Desktop, this is the balance what? Sheet, desktop. I say what? Save. This will be the balance sheet. Uzandika title balance sheet. Wandukureho iyi column ya mbere. Ongere wandike una column ya kangahe? That's why you can see it is saying cost minus accumulated depreciation. Are we together? It is actual because we have not set the budget. Are we together? If you want me to go for budget, I will go there. What is the question number next? What is the VAT balance? Is it a VAT refund or VAT payable? When we come to our balance sheet, where is our balance sheet? Which is here, we are having the VAT control account. Is this a payable or a refund? You remember I wrote it on the board there. If it is payable, it will be in a positive figure. But if it is a refund, it will be in 2 brackets. Are we together? So this VAT, it is 518.64 and it is a VAT payable. If we want the report for VAT, we are going to read the report like this one. I can either come here on my report, I select general ledger, I pick the account balance. This was 96, isn't it? 96 up to 96. Tulikumwe. For all of period, if there is 0 surplus, preview. How come it has 0? Was it year 1? Let me check. Year 1, year 1, year 1. I selected for year 1. This was for year 2. Let me check. Do you see the figure? But if I don't want to use that format, I can come here. Do you see inquiry? Inquiry, general ledger, ledger inquiry. I just type here 96,000 for this month. I just check view. Are you together? Check view. Iyo mbishati mitambibona ukuntu byagiye byinjira mu bisoka byinjira mu bisoka byinjira mu bisoka. Are you together? Then what is the next question? The bank statement from Bank of Kigali shows the closing balance to be 37,380. Process the bank reconciliation and show the report. How am I going to make the same? I just come on transaction. Are we together? General ledger. I go to bank reconciliation. I select my Bank of Kigali. We are in the month of October. I'm going to copy this amount. I can see it is 370,380. Then I will come here. I check view. So once I have created the view, you can see we are having in, out, in, out, in, out. I will just select here. You see the change. When I select, you tell me the change. Do you see the change? Do you see the change? Do you see it? So check on the board here, down on the figures. Let me select another one. Any change? No change. Nimubona ko bihinduka se? Change. So I will make sure I have checked all of these one here. Are we together? Be selecting them. Yours. It has the difference of 45,000. Are we together? So me, I have done my everything. Is there anything that we did not record correctly? Maybe the bank statement we have gotten, it has some errors. Sibyo? Tulikumu? Nimba bank statement twawe ifite makosa kandi turi we are in exercise. If we are in exercise, it's not necessary that the bank statement should mark the reconciliation. No. Maybe there are some missing information. But because we are in training, I put some errors to test you. Nk'ubu tushobora kuba turimo dukora ikizamini exercise nka ikizamini kibalansinga neza. Sibyo? Twagera nko muri examine nka kwa examine tabalansinga ndebe nimba umbesha cyangwa nimba ukora byose. umunyeshuri umbesha kuko yaba yaramaze kumenya logique ahita abikoporora byose akabitereka hariya, ariko utabesha arabikora abone ko birimo difference. Ujya kumva umunyeshuri aramubwira prof there is the variance, utiya kanga ati ya 45. Uti okay, you just write it as it is. Bamwe bari ku ruhande bati yabyishe buriya, kumbe niwe wabikoze. Yes. So I will just say save. Are we together? I again go to view. I go to banker reconciliation. I say preview. I say preview. Do you see this? You are going to save this as banker reconciliado. I say bank recon statement. Then I put on the desktop. I click save. Uzanyandukurira kano kantu nkuko kameze, bank reconciliation wanditse wano na balances wabonye. After that one you check on question number 1. Mana yawe, mana ntabwo izaza kugufasha mu kudakora, imana izaza kugufasha gukora. They said on question number 2 here, question number 2, you are supposed to create the supplier aging analysis and the customer aging analysis. You will do it. So you are going to check the following report: account receivable, age analysis. You select from 1, you select up to the last, you say preview. Mulimo kubibona? Furaha uzakoporora tuno tuntu tukurikira. Kano karongo ka mbere kano, this line and the last line. This one. Furaha 10 na 40. Are we together? Josiane 600. Kanyanje 40. Rogers 4,000. Totali 5,640. Singibi 680. Uzakoporora kano kanu uje hano wandikoti AR on the desktop. AR save. You close this. You also come to AP, accounts payable, age analysis. You select from 1 up to the last. You preview. You will copy this line and this line. You click save. You click OK. We call it AP. I put it on the desktop. I say save. I say close. Then I say close. I say close. I say